Oh, that's too bright. Let's see. Is
that in your car?
Yeah, it should be in my car. What's up, guys? It's Hudson B, and today we're doing something a little different. As you know, I get to keep my car here at Beby's. Beby's helping me work on everything, and Beby is also remodeling his shop. He has since painted the floors with epoxy. He started painting the walls. It's Sunday. I have my day off. Typically, I'm working on my car, but today I decided I'm gonna come over here and help him out with the shop, make sure we can move everything and get everything organized and put in place how he needs. So let me show you guys what he's done so far. He's actually painted the floor with a really nice dark gray epoxy with the paint chips in it. It looks absolutely phenomenal, and it seems to be holding up pretty well. He's already rolled in some stuff. The walls, he's doing the upper half a nice white, and then the bottom half we're gonna tape off and do black. It's coming along pretty good, Beby.
Yeah, it's for being my first time doing this. It's coming along pretty good. I like it.
I'm like he is, and working in like an organized, clean environment is so much less stressful than working on like, you know, just bare concrete floors with concrete walls. It's kind of like dungeon-y. This is going to give a whole new life to the shop, and it's going to look a lot more professional, be a lot more enjoyable to be in. So we're just gonna start taping and knocking things out. Came over here to give him a hand, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we have the walls painted, the floor is already done, and the black on the bottom half, white on the top half. Beby's got to do something with everything on the shelf up there to get it taken care of so we can get white behind it. This side is all done. Painted the door black. It looks 10 times better than what it did. I mean, anything looked better than the way it was before, but honestly, I'm super happy with the way it's coming out. I know Beby is ecstatic about the way it's coming out, but this shop is going to go from 0 to 100 really quick. Everything is going back in the shop nice now. Tire machine, balancer, compressor, toolbox, press. Trying to figure out how we're going to organize this side to get the bench in and everything over here. But this right here looks so much better than it did.
You got so much room now?
Dude, it's gonna be so nice.
Oh, all right. Wait till I get the lights too. More lighting.
Yeah, because it's not bad. Like, it's not bad in here now, but we get lighting, game changer.
Uh-huh.
All right, guys, so we have the shop pretty much squared away. We haven't moved a lot of the stuff in, but we have a lot of like the big items where they need to be. But actually, a friend of mine, Gio, brought over his car to have Beby do side markers on the fender here. So I'm gonna give him a hand doing that. We're gonna finish moving everything in the shop, and Gio will have some side markers at the end of the day. Now Bevy's just marking out factory location on the fender, measuring everything out in millimeters. This is going to be exact factory spec where things going in. So it'll be right where it needs to be. He's got it marked out. It's what, 144 at the bottom from the molding, correct?
It was 155 from the bottom of the molding, and then 140 for the other one.
Okay, so it's 155 from the bottom molding up, and then 140 forward, and then that X there, the center dot on it, is actually where you drill the first hole, and that is the factory location for the side marker on the EK. This is Cody's little daily here. It's a K24A4, full swap, trans and all, has port mounts, a lot of little goodies. If you guys want to check him out on YouTube, I'll link him in the description below. Actually, it's back here on his car. Yep. At Budget Build Racing. I'll drop him down in the description below, so if you guys want to go give him a follow, as well as I'm going to link Beby in the description as I always do. You know, we're just out here trying to make a living, doing things we like. Alright, so Beby is all finished up, putting in the side markers in Gio's car. Granted, I mean, this car doesn't look like much right now, but he's got wheels. It's going into paint next month. It's coming a long way. I was there whenever this engine was getting put in this car and this and that, and it was a real pile in the beginning, but it's really starting to look good. And I think, I'm not a fan of the side markers, but they do look good. Beby did a good job installing them. Also guys, if you guys have made it this far in this video, please drop down right over here, hit that subscribe button, go over there, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a video. And Beby, I think I'm about ready to get out of here, brother. It's been great. We got the shop put together, man.
Appreciate that, bro.
How do you feel about the shop?
Dude, I'm excited. I'm so excited that I stopped working on the shop and had a break.
Oh yeah, I started just working on cars.
Dude, hey, that's not the only one, because you know we got the other one outside that I'll be doing an assault system right now. So yeah, I'm excited for the new shop. Dude, I just want to work. Awesome. Bro, I just want to work on everything. So yeah, bro. I mean, it came along good.
Alright guys, well that is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Beby and I will probably see you on the next one. Peace.